Good morning, my beautiful people. Oh my goodness, you guys. I went to Trader Joe's yesterday with my friend Mary. Oh my goodness, it's been like forever since I went to Trader Joe's. We don't have Trader Joe's where I live now. I used to live like near like almost like 40 minutes away, DC or Virginia, and there's like so many Trader Joe's there. But since we moved, it's like literally an hour and something for me to like just drive to Virginia to go to the Trader Joe's. But anyway, since we went out last night, I mean not last night, yesterday, I gotta stop by Trader Joe's. So the first thing here, we got some, I don't think it's already tell, but I got wine. So good. I haven't tried this one in particular, but I'm gonna try this tonight. And then I got some sweet this is the plantains chips. I love plantain, you guys. It's so good and I can't wait to try this. So I got this. Okay, the second one is the everything but the bagel. I did try this out literally, I think it was like 3 or 4 years ago, and like I said, I'm not close to Trader Joe's anymore. That's why I couldn't get the hold of this one. So I purchased the one like the McCormick, but it still doesn't taste the same with this one. But yeah, I finally got my hands again on this one, so can't wait. All I need to buy is I have to buy more avocados and bagels. So next one I want to bake some banana bread, and I got the banana bread mix right here. Hopefully this will taste good because this is my first time trying this banana bread mix. And I also got some cacao chips, which is this is the organic and sweetened chocolate chips. So I'm gonna put this together, my banana bread. I'm already excited. I think I'm gonna bake this banana bread later tonight or maybe tomorrow. The next one, I was curious, they have this. They have the instant cold brew. Instant cold brew. I was like, wait a minute, it's like, is that real? So yeah, I love cold brew. I love making myself a cold brew. It's freaking delicious. It's like my go-to. So yeah, I will be telling you guys about this. Like, I'll give you guys just an update, but can't wait to try this. And if you guys don't know me, I freaking love coffee. Like, oh. Alright, so the next one is this. I have no idea how to pronounce this, so I'm just gonna show you guys. But this is like I forgot what they call this in the Philippines. Oh, it's in my head, but I cannot like tell. Oh, I don't know, but yeah, this right here. This is toast spread. I'm not gonna embarrass myself, but I'm gonna give this a try today because I'm gonna be making coffee and I'm gonna try that. And also, last but not the least, here is just some pasta, because I will be making some pasta this weekend as well. Yeah, so this is the farfalle pasta, if I'm even pronouncing the freaking name right. So yeah, that's what I got. So I'm gonna make some coffee, you guys, so I can pair it with this toast right here. Speaking of coffee, my friend and I went to Aritzia. Yes, we went to Georgetown, DC, and we went to Aritzia, and I did a little damage from Aritzia, as you can tell. And also, we also stopped by at this coffee shop named Blue Bottle. I heard about this brand already, and you guys, this smells amazing. I don't know if you heard from this Blue Bottle coffee, but holy cow, this smells amazing. So I got the espresso, and they roasted this November 18, which is still pretty fresh. There, November 18, and holy guacamole. Like literally the whole trip, my car and I, every time I open my door, my car door, like my friend was like, that coffee smells amazing. Oh my freaking god. But yeah, I cannot wait to try this, and actually I'm gonna give this a try now since I'm making coffee. Yeah, it smells amazing and their coffee tastes really good. I got some iced coffee because that was my first time trying Blue Bottle. I just got some iced coffee. My friend got some cappuccino. I tried both. It's amazing. Like her cappuccino was so creamy and delicious. My iced coffee was so freaking delicious. I'm gonna tell you, it's actually a little bit better than Starbucks. But it's a little, I don't know, it tastes just a little bit better. I was shocked actually. So I'm gonna make some coffee, and I have so much to do today. I just don't even know where to start. I have laundry, I have to clean this house, I have to feed the cats. I don't know if you heard. Eggie, you wanna say hi? Oh, I think she wants to say hi. Do you wanna say hi? Do you wanna say hi? Come here. Hi guys. She don't wanna be in the camera, but you wanna be, you don't wanna be in the camera. You don't wanna be in the camera. You're shy. Are you shy? Are you shy? Okay guys, I'm gonna make some coffee real quick. God, this iced coffee is a freaking amazing. I also put some caramel and white chocolate flavored. I got this at Walmart. I purchased this both at Walmart because I couldn't find it at Target for some reason. So yeah, I got this too at Walmart. They're freaking amazing. And yeah, I put some oat milk and a little bit of this silk creamer. So it's amazing. I made some fried rice yesterday. It's amazing. Like, it tastes amazing. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I'm just washing some dishes because after I wash dishes and I'm gonna do laundry as well, I will be filming. I think I'm gonna film the Aritzia that I got. I'm so excited for you guys to see. I think you're gonna see that first because I have another vlog before that. I think the vlog will go up first, which is tonight, and then the Aritzia, and then other, I don't know. I have to look in my book because I list down some videos that I want to do and also some collaborations that I'm gonna do. I have to answer some emails later today, so I'm gonna just finish washing dishes. I'm making some egg omelette for my husband. I chopped some jalapenos that my mom's friend gave me, white onions, garlic, mushroom, tomatoes, and I'll be using the egg whites. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just use this because he doesn't like the we don't have the eggs actually. Like, I have to go grocery shopping later as well, and I think I'm gonna put some Italian cheese and this sharp cheddar with this one because this is like the only, there's like tiny bit left. Might as well just use all of them. I mean, he also likes a lot of cheese, so I'll just use all of these three. So yeah, and another iced coffee. This is literally my second cup. This is not even a cup, but yeah, this is my second iced coffee for today. And I'll just finish all of these toast. I still have the half, and I'll just put it back in the box. But you guys, this is freaking amazing. Like, this is just my breakfast for today. I'm gonna eat some of the omelette, but yeah, that omelette is done. I'll just give this to him. I think he might just want some water, so I'll just give this to him. So I'm almost done. I'm using this spray from Mrs. Meyer's. I freaking love this, especially the scent. I love it. Also, I'm trying this out, which is the Mr. Clean Freak spray. So hopefully this will be good. But anyways, you guys, this waffle maker that I got from Target, I believe they're like a $9.99. Juicy Jazz made me buy this waffle maker. Oh my freaking god, it's amazing. I used this a couple times already while I was making waffle, but yeah, I freaking love it, and it's just so cute. And yeah, I got this at Target for like $9.99. Hey guys, so today is Sunday. I didn't continue vlogging yesterday just because I am so busy. I was just so busy cleaning the house, and I'm still not even done. What I did is I just finished cleaning the kitchen, the bathroom upstairs, and I haven't done laundry. I did half of it, but I'm not like fully finished of it. And I also cleaned the studio. That's why I couldn't just like vlog yesterday. So today I'm just gonna do I'll just like put this together. I'm gonna vlog today as well. Today's a Sunday, and tomorrow I have an appointment, so I'm not gonna be working tomorrow, but I have an important appointment tomorrow. So I have to go all the way to Virginia tomorrow. So anyways, let's make a coffee, iced coffee, and I think I'm gonna make some waffles and banana bread later. So yeah, I don't know, I was just so busy yesterday, but anyways, let's make a coffee. For the waffle, I'm gonna be using this. I got this at Harry's Theater, so yeah, it's really just light. I think I'm just gonna use one cup, because 1.5 is too much. Okay, so all I need is the oil, the mix. I got the buttermilk and also 1 egg. I have to get some oat milk later because I don't have any oat milk anymore, but I normally mix oat milk with my almond creamer, so to make my iced coffee. So after you put your waffle mixture in here, you'll just wait. When you close it, you'll wait until you hear that like click sound, and then that's done. So there you go, my first waffles. It's amazing, and I think it'll make like at least 4 or 5 of these, so I can't wait to try it. It smells good. Here's my breakfast waffles, and I'm gonna slice some strawberry and blueberries, and also put a little bit powdered sugar, and of course the maple syrup. So the 1 cup of mixture, waffle mixture, can how do you call this, can make 5 small waffles like this. So yeah, this is the maple syrup I use. I just got it from my local store. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna end the vlog here right now, just because I just know that this vlog will be long, plus I have a previous clip from yesterday. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I mean, all I'm gonna do right now is just help my husband clean and also cook food, because I think he's already throwing out the steak. So we're gonna grill some steak later today, for probably like dinner, or like, yeah, I think dinner. But yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog here, and yeah, so I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.